Hey guys, welcome to the lesson. Today's lesson is lesson 14. Today we're gonna be familiar with new topics and new series of the Next.js 15. The first one in link component navigation and second one in ActiveLinks. All of them are in under the routing system. Routing is a big topic. We, I mean, we didn't yet finish all of them, but we will try to everything in practice, right? First of all, if you go to official website nextjs.org, you can see right here, for example, let me the uh, search for the link text. Link is a just default component. It's like anchor tag, right? When you navigating to another route or another route segment, you can just put here something like this, right? And also not only the not only the navigating to specific route, but also there are some props, available props like this, replace or scroll, blah blah blah. But today we're gonna delve into the very basics, right? Because all of them, we couldn't walk. I mean, we couldn't know exactly all of them, but only just know a little bit about it. But in practice, in real world projects, we can build by using this props or using this kind of other features, right? Let's dive into the project. Example, we have I think this one, Next.js tutorial. Let me open it up by VS Code. Okay, I think everything is okay because it's in the previous lesson has been a long time before 2025, right? Let me run dev npm run dev. Turbo pack. It's kind of like a little bit slow. Don't worry about it because it depends on my computer, I think, because my computer is a little bit slow. Technical specification is very slow, I think. 8 gigabyte RAM. Mm, it's a little bit slow. Okay, everything is okay. We can open it up. You can see right here. Let me take an example from the products page, right? You can see the products page. Let me open it up. Products. You can see right here products 1 and products 2. We couldn't, if you just click this each product, we can navigating and redirecting to another route, specific route, right? How we can do this in the previous lesson? For example, only the using a tag, not a tag. We just converted all of them, what tag and link tag, right? Link, oh sorry, link, link tag. It's importing from the next link. I mean, it's just a specific link, right? All of them. A convert to link. Okay. Uh, you can see right here, everything's okay. If I'm gonna click this button, what? Yeah, it's working, right? For example, we have dynamically navigating to specific route. For example, if I have product ID, for example, 100, it's openness right here, not product 3, but product 4, right? How can I do this? We just wrapping the template leaders, right? And product product ID, and oh, sorry. Uh, uh, href is a prop. We can just also wrap the brackets, cross brackets, right? And products. Okay, not 4, but 100, right? Because we store a variable to in the 100. If I'm gonna open it up, yeah, it's working, right? Okay, everything is okay. And let, let's take a look at some of the props in the link component. For example, we have href and replace true. By default, replace false. What does it mean, replace? We can, for example, in right here, we can just put here replace and back, for example, product one. And if I'm gonna go back, it's okay, right? It's a product list page. If I'm gonna go to the 100th product, if I'm gonna go back, it's open is also the page, right? But replace, how can I do this? For example, default true, when true, next like replace current history state. Instead of adding new history state, for example, not products, but it's a home page, right? Home page. If we go to products page and also products 100 and go back, it's also going back directly to home page, right? Not to product list page. I think that makes sense for you, right? Not only that, but scroll. If you go to the website, you can read through the whole documentation and also get some knowledge about it, because it's very important. There are new features available day by day. From time to time, you can, I mean, you need to know how can I, how you can implement this by easily, right? Okay, that's all for the link component. And next topic we have active lists. Active lists. Um, we just uh, implement this topic, I mean this feature out root group, right? Out root group, for example, layout, blah blah blah. If I'm gonna go to the register page, login page, or something like that, let me create the page.t6 t6 and export default not out layout function out page, right? Okay. We're just using the tailwind CSS, by the way. I think in our previous lessons, you just knew about it, right? If I'm gonna go out project, yeah, out road, sorry. Oh, something went wrong. Ah, not wrapping the out, but just only the out page, right? Okay, no problem. We just deleted this page. Only the store this link in the home page, right? Right here. Okay, not us, it's not working, but let me create the, oh, sorry. It's the template, you know. In the home page, we just iterate this through all of the links, right? Dynamically. How we can do this? For example, a lot of developers and software engineers support best practices in during the code, right? I mean, while writing a code, you need to implement specific, I mean, code statements or any kind of code lines. We can just implement by clean code and some of the best practices adapted to specific requirements, right? Right? And let's do it. Let's create the array, and it has some of the links inside of the object, and we can just iterate through the map method, right? It's very easy. Let's take a look. Cons we have, for example, sometimes it's called now links and now links, and each object has, for example, name, and in our case it's just register, right? And href register. Okay, it's easy. And GitHub couplet generate all of the code, I think. Login, we have login also, href login, and forget password, right? Okay, not products, but we can update it, no problem. Not products, but forget or got password. Okay, it's now links. We need to use it in the rendering page, right? And right here. Let me develop the fragment nh pair, for example, home page. Amend a little bit, add class name, x3xl, text flow, for example, something like that. And also we can just put here now links map, right? Oh, sorry. Now links map, not returning directly the a tag, but we can return a statement, right? Not a tag, but we can just link, hr link, href link, and k link, and let me oh, something went wrong. Now links and link. Put that here. Also the link name, right? Because name is different. Name is different. It's gonna be the k also, right? We can just remove this callback function as well. Okay, everything's okay, I think. khr name, not link itself, but we can put here href, right? Okay, good. Let me now open it up. We can see right here, register, login, blah, blah, blah. Don't worry if something went wrong. We can just grab the div page, div tag, and also flex, just for content, blah, blah, blah. You can see right here. Okay. And also the class name in the parent tag, flex call. Okay, yeah, it's a home page and register page. For example, if I'm gonna go to the register page, it's open it, right? And login page, it's all forget password, it's also working. Okay, great. But in our case, we can just wrap the nav links, also the external variable, store it, some kind of specific properties in key-value pairs, right? And what we're gonna do, we need to implement by other features. Specific hooks, for example, use pass or use navigate, blah blah blah. Actively can add active links features. How can I do this? For example, if I'm gonna click this register button or register link, it turns into another color, right? And by default, it's register is also uh, by default it's color white, but we need to change into, for example, red or something like that. How we can do this? For example, we have new mm, new variable. For example, is active. Use pass name. Use pass name. It's a hook. Don't worry if you don't understand what I'm saying. If return, I mean, ECMAScript file had an error because uh, use pass name or whatever you want to use the specific hooks, you need to put use client directive on top of your project, on top of your file, right? Oh, sorry, build clients. Okay, I think when I refresh to the page, it would be working. Oh, uh, ah, we can remove it because it's only working in the server components, right? Let me the comment comment. Okay, it's working. And we have, for example, let me the let's see the console. Oh, console is active, right? If I'm gonna click this button, it's open it. Mm, ah, it's opening the console in this case because it's a client component, right? You can see right here it's a pass, right? Not active right now. We can name it the pass. Okay, pass. For example, if I'm gonna console the pass, you can see right here. Nah, let me the is. Oh, if you type blah blah blah. Okay, when you go back to the page, home page, something went wrong. Hydration, I think. Okay, if I'm gonna go to login page, no, it's not working. Why? Log get, it's just trying, but it's not working. Let me think about it. Okay, you can see right here in the home page it's working, right? Okay, we can see that. Not worry. How we just implement that? For example, every the page we can store the is active link. Is active link, right? Any the just is active inside of the nav links. Now the link is active. For example, is active equals to pass and uh, starts with link href, right? I think you can understand what I'm saying. For example, if I'm gonna put in a console in the use pass name, it's a hook name. It's returning this page. I mean this variable href. I'm just saying the code. If this pass starts with link.href, it turning and converting to another page, right? Let me put here. For example, we can just condition operator, but we also only the do this in operator is just like here. How can I do this? Again, the class name is just is active. For example, if is active is true or is exist, it's just font bold, for example, and for and if else text below 500 mr4, right? Not mr4, we don't need this right now. By default is active, not blue, but is active is true, text blue, not text red, 500, right? uh, it's nothing here. Okay, if I'm gonna refresh the page, don't worry about this error, don't worry, it's just a little small error. If I'm gonna register page, game page, forgot password, oh, not working. We need to say that, right? For example, we can see using the ChatGPT, just taking some example. For example, give me um, an example by use pass name and Next.js, right? Yeah, we can see right here if something went wrong, we can just fix it by the AI tools, right? For example, you can see right here. Yeah, we can do it. We can do it. Snapper, pass name, block, blah blah blah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh, we can go to directly. We cannot see the previous state, right? Yeah, it's our mistake. It's our mistake. Don't worry. You can see right here if pass name a block, it should be changed to another stylus, right? Okay. I think that makes sense because our video is long, a little bit long. Uh, if you don't understand uh, the, this lesson, you can put some comments in the Nozomio website, right? Can see and also answer you directly. Don't worry. Thank you. See you in the next video, guys.